Hello my people, welcome back to this channel, and this is the ultimate channel CK with me, Dr. Lewis Muchile. So I want to talk about other reasons that are making you not to lose weight, even with the struggle of working out, even with the struggle of maintaining a strict diet and all that. I want you to understand the main reason we want to lose weight is because we want to live healthy. And we want to train our bodies to focus on the fat, body fat. You want to break down the body fat and block the use of all other sources of energy, specifically carbohydrate. Now remember, fat is the biggest, possibly the biggest reserve of energy in the body. And when you break down this fat through a process called ketosis, you'll form ketone bodies. These ketone bodies are the ones that are energy fuel, perfect energy fuel for the brain and the muscles too. Now, we'll go straight to this diagram. This is the fatty human, okay? This is the lean human, the one that metabolism of fat has been induced, so no cravings at all. So as you go along, I want you to capture where you go wrong. Most people focus on only diet and exercise. Remember, diet takes 80% of weight loss and exercise takes 15%, and others that are non-exercise related will take 5%. But most people focus on these two and ignore these ones. So I want you to start focusing on this also, and as well as the two. So the first one and the most important is sleep. Now you can work out as much as you can eat healthy as much as you can, but if you don't sleep well, if you don't rest, the muscles will not grow. Why? Sleep, on the opposite thought, people think when you're working out you're burning more fat. Now you shock on you, because when you're sleeping you're burning more fat also. So take at least 7 to 8 hours of rest. Number two, there's a surge in growth hormone. Same to fasting. When you sleep, there is a surge in growth hormone, and that means you'll have muscle bulging, that means you'll grow weight. But don't let weight and health too much. Don't focus so much on weight, focus on fat burning. So, number two is digestion. Now, consumption of simple carbohydrates. Once we insist on diet, we want you to eliminate simple carbohydrates in your diet. Consumption of simple carbohydrates will perforate your intestines. We say they cause inflammation and they'll perforate your intestines. Once they perforate your gut, that means malabsorption, so you don't absorb food and nutrients perfectly. Number two, you'll have reflux of acid content back into your gut, and that is so discomfort. It's so uncomfortable, sorry. Now, number three is energy. Why do I mention about energy? Because of fatigue. Now, those people who do ego lifting, when you go to the gym and you find people are lifting heavy, and because you've been there for sessions, you also decide to lift heavy. It is not healthy. Lift progressively. Lift for 2 weeks, add 5 kg, weigh yourself, lift progressively. Exercise is not ending today, and the gym is a lifestyle. So fix your mind, then fix your muscle. Number two, energy also comes from the thyroid gland. Now, problems with the thyroid gland, that means you'll have problems in metabolism. If your thyroid gland is messed up, you will not add weight, you will not lose weight. Now, on the thyroid gland, we keep insisting on you taking salt, iodized salt, put a pinch in your drinking water and your gym water, and you keep telling us it tastes bad. Well, appropriate diets don't taste bad. Your addiction to sugar has made you think that any other thing that doesn't taste like sugar tastes bad. So change that mindset. Number four, menstrual cycle. This is for ladies. Now ladies, if your hormones are imbalanced, remember menstrual cycles, when they are irregular, they are painful, they are uncontrolled, and you flow blood excessively or profusely, that means your estrogen is messed up. Even for men, estrogen plays a larger role in fat. So you don't burn fat. That means you'll grow fatter. That means you'll not lose weight. And for women, estrogen does the same. And again, too much of estrogen in women, as much as it's a female hormone, too much of estrogen in women can expose you to cancer, cervical cancer, breast cancer, and the rest. So, how do you fix estrogen? Diets. Now, estrogen will also cause hot flashes. These hot flashes will deny you sleep. And remember, we already said sleep is a factor in weight loss. Number 5 is cravings. Cravings are brought about by simple carbohydrates. So work your diets out by limiting yourself from eating simple carbohydrates. Okay? Again, start fasting. That will kill your cravings. Now, last but not least, inflammation. Once you've eaten simple carbohydrates, you get your gut messed up, you get this inflammation. It's like it takes power from your body. Okay? So you will not lose weight because the body is struggling to heal this inflammation. So there's no struggle to burn your fat. Okay? This will also cause you malabsorption. So you will not absorb nutrients as you wanted to. And that's a mess. Now the last one is stress. Make sure you run away from stress by all means. One, life is not too serious. Don't take it too serious because no one is assured of tomorrow. But you can make your tomorrow today. So avoid stress. Stress raises your cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone that is used to give you, that is in the body, is responsible for stress. So make sure cortisol levels are lower as possible by sleeping, 0 sugars, 0 thoughts, and relax. And above all, do a massage, relaxation therapies. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, if you feel or if you think our content is educative or helpful to you, kindly keep subscribing. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment, ask questions, and we will respond. We'll see you in the next.